Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to get Bellingham in eFootball. Acquiring top players like him requires a good strategy, so we'll cover the main ways to add him to your squad. We'll look at various in-game methods and how to best utilize your resources. Getting your dream team together is a rewarding part of the game, and we're here to help you achieve it. There are several key ways to sign players. First, explore the contract menu for the standard player list or special player list where Bellingham might appear. You can use GP or eFootball coins for these. Keep an eye out for nominating contracts, which sometimes allow you to pick a specific player. Also, participating in various in-game events can sometimes reward you with top-tier players or valuable items. To boost your chances, strategic resource management is crucial. Save your eFootball coins for special player packs that might feature Bellingham. Regularly complete daily and weekly objectives to earn extra GP and other valuable items. Staying informed about upcoming events and player releases through official announcements can give you a significant advantage in planning your acquisitions. Once you successfully acquire Bellingham, the journey doesn't end there. Take time to review his player stats and ensure he fits perfectly into your team's formation and playstyle. Invest in his development by using training programs to enhance his skills and overall performance. Finally, enjoy dominating matches with your new star midfielder and celebrate your strategic success.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.